intern here at Makerspace. Recently, my personal project, or so main project, was making splints and prosthetic hands for people in need. Recently, we've shipped them out to Alabama, where they would be shipped to Ukraine. These are just like a handful of examples, such as a wrist brace. This is a wrist brace where it's just like a flat kind of brace, and then they would warp it to the personal size of whoever it would be going to. It wouldn't be just Ukrainian soldiers, it would also be civilians that were also impacted by the war. This is just what it would look like on the hand. There would be ace bandages or some kind of bandage that would be incorporated to hold it together, so it would be more of a kind of splint. This is a finger brace, and it would just go over the person's hand, finger, and it would be wrapped in a bandage as well, so it would be like a splint. My future, really, I'm still in the midst of developing a plan, but I do want to be an orthopedic surgeon where I do use technology, as in 3D printing and just printing in general materials. And it doesn't even really have to be orthopedic surgery either. It can be biomedical engineering, which is what I'm getting my bachelor's in. I would tie this into making a medical grade device that would actually be helpful. It would be much more stable and modern if I were to use aluminum or something thinner, so it would be better for the human body. It would be much more stable. So I would take what I learned here and kind of strengthen that knowledge and use it in my future. It takes a lot of patience rather than always expecting trial 1 to go great. It can be trial 4, even maybe more than 5. Things do happen, mistakes happen, and that's just all in tweaking it that really helps you improve the product in the end. Before I was an intern here, I was a volunteer for the Enable program, where I made prosthetic hands using 3D printing, and I had a lot of fun doing it, and I felt a connection sort of on what I wanted to do in the future, so that kind of really spun the wheels in my kind of motive on what I wanted to do. But if there were any opportunities similar to that, or if there were more Enable chapter opportunities within the facility, I would most definitely join.